Hi traders, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to decode the complete Nifty prediction analysis for Wednesday session. We'll go through global market cues, Asian, European, and US market impact, currency and commodity signals, how these factors shape NIFTY's possible direction, and finally, what to expect at the opening and throughout the day. Let's get started. Global market overview. US markets weak tone, starting with the United States. These down about -0.44%, indicating mild weakness. US markets have been showing signs of cautiousness. Whenever the Dow Jones trades in the negative zone overnight, Nifty tends to feel early pressure in the first half. So this sets a slightly bearish undertone. Asian markets broad negativity. Looking at Asia, the region is trading around -0.52%, showing clear weakness. This is important because Asian markets strongly influence NIFTY's opening sentiment. When both US and Asian markets stay negative, Nifty usually opens on the defensive. European markets flat to slightly positive. Europe is barely positive at 0.07%. This isn't a strong signal, it's more of a neutral to mild support. Europe's slight positivity helps Nifty avoid deeper negativity but doesn't create bullish momentum. Currency or commodity cues. USD INR flat positive, 0.18%. A slightly positive USD INR indicates the rupee is weakening a bit against the dollar. A weak rupee usually adds mild pressure on Nifty, especially sectors like it and oil-sensitive industries. Crude oil 0.91%, ignored. Crude is slightly up, but since the move is under 1% and not trend breaking, we will not give major weight to this. Still, it's good to keep an eye on crude if it spikes over the next few hours. What these cues mean for Nifty. So based on all these inputs, US markets negative, Asian markets negative, Europe flat to mild positive, USD INR flat positive, rupee weakness. Crude ignore. NIFTY's overall sentiment aligns with a flat to negative outlook. Tomorrow's market is likely to open either flat negative or slightly down with limited pressure. There is currently no strong trigger for a massive gap up or gap down. Expected opening. With this combination of global cues, NIFTY's opening range may fall into flat negative opening. This is the highest probability. Nifty may open around -0.10% to -0.20% initially. Small deep but fast recovery. If Asia stabilizes by morning, a quick early bounce is possible. Sideways start. If Europe holds flat throughout the night, Nifty may open almost flat but drift down slowly. How Nifty may trade tomorrow. Overall direction, flat to negative. This means the market isn't strongly bearish, it is just leaning slightly to the downside. Intraday behavior. First 30 minutes may be volatile. After that, the market may go into a range-bound mood. Downside moves may come in slow steps, not a sudden crash. Upside rallies may struggle unless global cues flip. Sectors to watch. It may show strength because rupee is weak. Banks may remain neutral. Metals and autos could see mild pressure. Trader mindset. Avoid aggressive early trades. Play level to level. Follow price action near supports and resistances. Final prediction summary. To sum up everything, global cues are mixed but lean negative. Currency is slightly weak. Europe is flat but not supportive enough. Nifty direction for tomorrow, flat to negative, so be prepared for a cautious start, low to moderate volatility, and a market that may drift down unless strong buyers emerge. If you found today's prediction analysis helpful, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and share it with fellow traders.